Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rupesh and I am going to tell you today one very important topic, that is creating table of content. Table of content is very much important whenever you are working on any report, project, thesis, etc. When we work on a very long file, we have got different sections in our file and we want page number to be displayed for those details. And by editing, what happens, the content goes to different pages and again you need to recheck when it is not done automatically. So how you can create automatic table of contents, I will show you in this video. Let us start. You can see my screen. So suppose we have got some report. So in order to create a report, I am going to generate now random content using some of the shortcut trick. Do you know this trick? Just see it. I am going to write this some magical word and see what is going to happen. Boom, we have generated so many contents. So what has happened, I will do it again and I will show you what I did. This magical trick, whether you know or not, let me know in the comment section below. I am writing is equal to rand. See, I am writing 2 comma 5 and see what is going to happen. We have got two paragraph, 2 comma 5, right? I wrote so two paragraph and each paragraph 5 sentences are there, but I need longer content so that it will look like a project report. So I am going to write is equal to rand, maybe 50 paragraph, each paragraph I want 10 sentences and boom. So we got our content generated and total how many pages are there? Let us check. Let us make it look little good. So Control A, Control J to give proper alignment. We got total 11 pages as you can see in the status bar, right? So we have got total 11 pages generated right now. Now, whenever we have got any report, what will happen, we are going to have different sections into it. But before going for section, what I will do, I will enter page number into all these pages. How to do that? Click on insert. I'm clicking on insert. Then we have got header and footer section. We can go to this header and footer section. Click on this and we can take page number. I want to put it in the footer, right? So not in the header. So let me go to footer section and different type of formatting of the footer is there. So this looks little good. So let me take it. You can take any of the footer. So you can see author name is coming here. Page numbers are coming into different part. I can edit this also, but let us not worry about that. I got different pages on all the pages. You can see 1, 2, 3 and so on. And this I don't want my name, but I want project report confidential. Fine, I want these things to appear. So I typed in one place, but since it is added in the footer section, we can add it in the header and footer both places. This I wanted in the footer. So you see all pages it has gone. So this is done. Now in order to create table of contents, what we need to do? So suppose at the beginning of my document, this is chapter 1, right? This I want to be displayed in table of content with the page number. So what you do, select it in the home ribbon, you make it heading 1. You can make it heading 1, 2 and 3. We can go up to these 3 level, heading 1, heading 2 and heading 3. So this is my main content, it is heading 1. If you want to format it, you can do formatting. If you don't want blue color, suppose you want black color, bold, whatever. So I want it to be black color, or make it little yeah. So this I'm taking little maroon color and bold Okay, so my heading 1 is the say chapter 1. Now here it is say we are talking about formatting. Fine, so select it, and this I want to go as heading 2. Heading 2. If you want to change the style, fine, otherwise let it be like this. So heading 1 we have got formatting. Next we are talking about changing font style. So as per your report, whatever content you want, you need to add. Changing font style. In this I am writing font size, that is my another content. Let it is inside font style, so I am giving it heading 3. Then here suppose we are talking about font color. This is also heading 3. Next page, suppose we are talking about font itself. This is also under font style, so heading 3. So we talked about formatting. Now let us see, we are starting chapter 2 here. So chapter 2, heading 1. So go to this place, make it heading 1. Chapter 2. Suppose we are talking about saving your file. I wrote saving your file. This is heading 2. Make it heading 2. Next one, save as. Suppose this is my another content. This is also heading 2. Open existing file. Open a file. This is also heading 2. Next, I am going for chapter 3. Chapter 3, this is going to be again heading 1, right? Now, chapter 3, suppose we are talking about printing. Printing, this will become what? Heading 2, right? This is heading 2. Heading 2, you can't go more than heading 3, right? Heading 1, 2, 3, up to 3 level it works. Print preview. Print. Suppose it is under print, so I am going for label 3, that is heading 3. Next is quick print. Quick print. This is also heading 3. Chapter 4 next we will make. So here suppose I have got chapter 4, right? This is again heading 1, given heading 1, and say this we talk about emailing your file, and we are done. Suppose these are the content for my document, and if manually we are going to do, we can do that manually. But what if we are editing and it moves to another page? So let us see. If manually you are going to create and suppose the hundreds of pages are there, it is going to take lot of time. So how if we can do it just with one click? Just see how we can do. Click on insert, and I want a blank page. So blank page came over here, and I want my table of content to come at this places. Okay, so I am clicking on references and go for table of contents, and you have got different styles. Whichever style you like, you can go for. I am going for the first one. Click on this, and boom, we are done. You see, chapter 1 formatting, changing font style inside font, and it works when you press Ctrl and click. It will take you to that page. See, we reach to the formatting, and what right now formatting is coming in page 3, right? Formatting is in the page 3. I am going to copy and paste this content. Suppose we are doing some editing and we added more text. So I added more text by copy and pasting. Your original documents, you know how to take care of that. so that you can keep always with you. So now formatting is not in the page 3. You can see formatting, this is formatting, and now it has moved to page 4, and everything else has moved to different pages. So chapter 1 3, you can see formatting was in the page 3 and total page is 14. Now click on this, you see update table, click on this update table and click on update entire table, because all the content has been changed, and boom, you see formatting moved to page number 4 and every content wherever it has moved done. And this is how we can make table of content. So it's quite easy, and hope you are going to use it into your document, you are going to use into your report file, you are going to use into your PhD thesis. Let me know you find it useful or not, and stay tuned, keep watching.